good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this December the 7th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Sunday out there so far. Everybody had a great Sunday evening. Everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather. Got the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the lower 48 here and the storm systems moving across the country. Alright, you can see here is a stall frontal boundary. You can see the subtropical jets trying to slowly diminish. You don't see much activity down in the Gulf of Mexico like we did, but you can see most of the activity now is moving across central and northern Florida and continue to race away from the area and bring it into much of the precipitation. You see this little clipper system here and another one up here. They will kind of combine. May bring some snow to North Carolina, maybe some shower activity across South Carolina and a portion of Georgia as that system moves through. Still could be a little bit of snow, could be along up across the Lancaster, Chesterfield County areas of South Carolina, maybe over toward Marlboro County for your Monday evening. We will continue to monitor that and see if anything happens with that. We got some scatter activity across Maine up here. You can see that system moving up to the northeast. Got another system here. This is that clipper system I was talking about. It's going to join forth with this over the Tennessee River Valley. Got more activity out here in the Montana, Idaho, and also Nevada and Northern California regions as well. And another storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest, which will affect Washington, Oregon, and California once again, as that plume of moisture continues to just slam the northwestern U.S. and continue to move across the country. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. And thank you for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. Alright, and if you're new, please hit that subscribe button as well. Alright, well, let's get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, we're going to got some snow up here from New Brunswick to Maine to New York State to northern Pennsylvania. Also over toward Lake Huron, Lake Superior to Michigan to Wisconsin to Minnesota to North Dakota. Got some mixed precipitation there as well, stretching down in New York State to Pennsylvania to Ohio to Indiana, all the way back over toward through the Dakotas, Wisconsin, Michigan, Minnesota, Montana, Wyoming, portion of Colorado, Utah to Idaho, Washington, Oregon State. Got mixed precipitation also down in Tennessee, western North Carolina, over in the central and northern North Carolina, Virginia. You're included in West Virginia, also in eastern Tennessee and Kentucky. Alright, we got some shower activity across North and South Carolina, coastal waters down into Florida, Florida Keys, Florida, Big Bend area, and also the Panhandle. Thunderstorms and showers from South Florida to the Florida Keys. Alright, we got some freezing rain possible from portions of southern Michigan to Wisconsin to Minnesota to the Dakotas, also portion of Iowa as well. And then we got some heavy snow portion of Wisconsin, also portion of Montana, Idaho, Washington State. Got some flash flooding and heavy rain over Washington, Oregon State with shower activity there also. Stretching in northwest California and portion of southern Idaho region as well. A little bit of snow flying over portion of Colorado also. Alright, otherwise, fake dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, let's see if we can roll on into your Tuesday forecast now. And it should roll out something like this here. Alrighty, we got mixed precipitation up here for eastern areas of New Hampshire down toward Rhode Island. More mixed precipitation over here around Lake Huron to New York State to Pennsylvania to Ohio, back into Minnesota to the Dakotas, Montana, Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, Wyoming, Colorado, and Utah region as well. Got freezing rain in that area as well. Portion of Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota to the Dakotas. Shower activity across South Florida to the Florida Keys. I got some heavy snow here in portion of Wyoming, Idaho, Montana, portion of Washington State. Got some flash flooding and heavy rain there as well in Washington and Oregon State and the western portions of the area. Shower activity for Idaho to Washington, Oregon, and the northwestern California and the Pacific Ocean coastal waters there as well. Otherwise, fake dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's move on to the current watches warning advisory map for your location across the nation. And it should roll out something like this here. You can see we got winter weather advisory from one county in Maine, a couple counties in New York State, also in more counties included in West Virginia, also northern North Carolina. Get some, let's see, I think that is, right here. I think that's a flood watch also in effect there as well. Yep. Okay, we got flood watch also for a portion of Virginia. Alright, we got winter storm watches in effect for a portion of Minnesota and also through the Dakotas. Got high wind watches also in effect through the Dakotas, Montana, a portion of western Nebraska, a couple counties in Colorado and also Wyoming. Winter weather advisory is also in effect for Wyoming. Wind advisories over areas of Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State. Also, we have some hydro issues there as well in the portion of Montana, Idaho, and flood watches also in effect for Washington, Oregon State, with some hydro issues to the north in Washington State. Also, we got some dense fog advisories and some air quality alerts in California. Alright, small craft advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way down to the east coast of Florida, Big Bend area of Florida, Texas, then again from central and northern California, then again toward Washington, Oregon State. Coastal marine warnings off the west coast of Florida. You got a flood advisory over a portion of central Florida. Alright, Hawaiian Chain Island looks good. Inland Alaska only got special weather statement, cold weather advisory, some blizzard warnings to the south, freezing spray warnings in the blue, and small craft advisory, gale warning elsewhere along the coastal areas of Alaska. Alright, now let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. And it's going to look something like this. Just only general thunderstorm from Fort Myers to Miami to the Florida Keys for your Monday. Alright, rainfall totals across the lower 48. Heavy precipitation across Cuba, eastern Gulf, across Florida, Atlantic coastal water, also in the portions of Maine, New York State, the portion of West Virginia, Michigan region, and then again over Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, also with Washington, Oregon State, with all that snow and rain and all that stuff mixed in together, bringing a lot of precipitation. Southwestern Canada, a lot of the western and central U.S. looks pretty quiet, but elsewhere in the green, expected anywhere from a tenth to maybe a half an inch of rain in some areas as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.